Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just going to do a quick video here today talking about Pokemon distribution cards. I don't have any personally, but I'll pop a picture up on the screen here. Of some Pokemon distribution cards. These we sent to stores like GameStop in America and Game here in the UK, Toys R Us, places like that, the places that sold Pokemon basically, and DSs. What you'd do, you'd go to the store during the time period, at the time of the event, and you'd receive a special Pokemon. The one I'm going to show you today is a shiny Palkia. This was distributed in both the USA and Europe. I believe it was in Japan as well, but I don't have that RAM. These have all been dumped by some kind folks. I'll leave the distribution down below where you can download this. I'm going to show you how you can get it. Now, I'll also leave a spreadsheet of what times you need to set the clock to, and stuff like that. But you'll see it all become clear in a second. So to do this, you need 2 DSs, or a DS and a 3DS, or 2 3DSs. Just 2 of these, 2 that you can run DS carts in, and you need a flash card of some kind, an R4 card. The best one that works the best is one of these R4 gold carts. As you can see, mine turns up in the system as Bomberman Land. It's not Bomberman Land, it's an R4 cart. But so you just need to download the ROM from the website looking down below, and then you need to set the time on your. Sorry, the touch doesn't work on this DS. You need to set the time on the DS that you're distributing the Pokemon from. It doesn't matter about the receiving DS or 3DS, just the one that you're sending it from. So sometimes you hear stories about, I believe there's one distribution where there was a Celebi that was never actually officially given out. They scrapped it, but some people managed to convince like the GameStop manager to change the date on the DS to give them the Celebi anyway, and stuff like that. So it only matters about the date on the receiving DS. Now I'm going to be doing shiny Palkia, so I need to set mine to September 13th, well, anywhere between September 13th and September 26th, so that'll do 2013. Just need to hit save on that. Go back, turn the DS off, and so it's a bit hard to do this with one hand. Turn the DS back on. You can then boot into your R4 card, and you find your distribution. So there's mine, Summer. It's called Summer Legendary Beast, or Shiny Summer Sinnoh Trio, or something like that. And then you'll see it comes up like this, like distribution pending. Press A to start, and it'll pick a random channel. I believe that was so some stores would have like 3 or 4 DSs, so if it was a really big store, so multiple people could do it at once. So they would all choose a different channel, like that, and you can only receive the Pokemon in each game, in each save file, once. So if you get one, you can't do it again. You have to make a new save file and get to the point where you can do mystery gifts again. So what you need to do before we start the distribution on there in your game, so also more caveats, certain distributions only work on certain games. So this one only works on black, white, black 2 and white 2. Some of them only work on black and white, some of them only work on diamond pearl, some of them work on diamond pearl platinum, some of them work diamond pearl platinum, heart gold and soul silver, but none of them work across all of the games or anything like that. It's usually sticks to one generation, and just whatever was out at the time for that generation is what will work, if that makes sense. So in your game, you want to go to here, and you want to, before you boot the game up, you want to go to mystery gift, like that, and then you want to start the distribution by pressing A. So as you can see, it now says distributing, and you want to say on your receiving game, receive gift. Are you ready to receive mystery gifts and get via wireless? Wireless communication will be launched, and then you just wait here for a second, and it goes, look, a shiny Palkia for you. Hit yes. And it'll say distributing, and there we go, got a shiny Palkia. Receiving your gift. Your gift has been received. Please go to the Pokemon Center to pick up your gift. So if you go to the Pokemon Center, there should be a postman with a gift box that will give you your gifts from the mystery gift machine, and you just press A when you're done on there, and A to stop distributing there, and that's it. Simple as that. Okay, well, I hope this was useful to somebody. See you around.